DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.
Yo. What's good, YouTube? Thanks for watching this video. Another banger reaction. Yeah, man, gang. You don't know what time it is. Let's see what we are dealing with today. Yeah, man, gang. A few minutes ago, I just dropped the Kyodi, the fixed freestyle, gang. Where a lot of people are saying that, yo, he flopped out and stuff. You feel me? I just dropped it a few minutes ago. Let me know, go watch it and let me know what you think. Did Kyodi actually flop out on his fixed freestyle? I also did the fully bad freestyle, so you go if you want to check that out to see and react. Check that out and see my reaction to that one. Go ahead and see and let me know who had the better freestyle. You know what I'm saying? What the better influence freestyle? Let me know in the comment section, gang. But yeah, man, they are back with none other than Mr. Alien Brain, Mr. Alien Mab himself. You don't know what time it is. Yeah, man, we're there with Kyodi, and he just dropped the one here. He just dropped the one here like a good 10 minutes now. The one named Triumphant Fatal Attack official audio. Let's see me and say. Now the one I not say nobody, you know, say the mark of this or fully bad this or anybody authentic this. You just say yo, official audio Fatal Attack. You see me and say. So I guess this is for everybody. We don't know. You see me and say. We'll check it out and see what I gotta do with today, gang. You don't know. Yeah, we're there for the one, there for everything, and there for everything dancehall and react to. You see me? So we don't go with the vibe much longer. Yo, I think Kyodi trying to make up for the freestyle he did on the fix. So he might try this track everybody and drop a bad tune. But let's see what I'm going. You see me? We're not gonna waste the time. Jump right now, this is Kyodi Triumphant. Let's get it, gang.
I'm the man Marcus. Alien man. Thing mad, man. You know what to me?
Come in, man, and say, Alien Mob, the thing mad, come on!
2, 3, 4, 5 of them. You see, this is a blast, man. With the look on your shoulder, man.
Now, like me like the beat, you know? Kyodi, don't forget about the beat, I can like the beat, you know? Come
on. One a chop, a be a man a chop. Watch them a run up and down, a key a man a strap. Me kill a have a pee and pan a shot, a lay and tap a knock.
I know one man a chop, a be a man a chop. I want to them, Kyodi. Alright, come on.
Man, with the logo on your shoulder, man.
Yeah.
I know one a chop, a be a man a chop. Watch them a run up and down, a key a man a strap. Me kill a have a pee and pan a shot, a lay and tap a knock.
Yeah, man. We when they run up on like a key a man a spot, me got a pee and pan a shot. Hey! Come on.
Them a run up and down, a key a man a strap. Me kill a have a pee and pan a shot, a lay and tap a knock. Be a man a chop, be a man a chop. Chip panic like a key up on a lap. Key with a double row clip, a fatal attack. Be a gun over, be a man a chop.
Hey! Be a man a chop. I be a man a chop. Hey! Let's shut up and play upon the one, man. Come on, Kyodi know what he's doing. Kyodi know what he's doing. Nigga, call if you got about the freestyle, man, chop about choke. Come on.
Fatal attack. Be a gun over, be a man a chop. Be a man a chop, be a man a chop. Me tell us some must hold you. Watch him foot fall up. Watch him split on the ground like he just roll up. Friend side of him split out him close.
Me like the one, Kyodi. Me like the one that give me a vibes. Me like the one that give me a vibes. People want to think about the one. The man say I be a man a chop. Kill them. Have a pain pan a shot. Hey, come on.
Split on the ground like he just roll up. Friend side of him spread out him close bore up. Full of red stain like when pinning him donut. Pull up and do a shot, kick it down, not goal cup.
Man say pull up and do a shot, kick it down, not goal cup, brother. Roll up a yard and do a close nigga, we kick that down and come in. To no man, you the thing cause little door can't stop you, some little hinges, some little nails, bro.
Play Bostematic from close up. Boy, I'm a jump out, mess up me pull up. Next up is that to my portfolio. One man a chop, a be a man a chop.
Man say, boy, Mario jump out, must have me pull up. Boy, class, one dopey that to my portfolio. Come in.
Me pull up. Next up is that to my portfolio. One man a chop, a be a man a chop. Watch them a run up and down, a key a man a strap. Me kill a have a pee and pan a shot, a lay and tap a knock.
Hey, this bad.
Chip panic like a key up on a lap. Key with a double row.
Man, this bad. Kyodi come back like him and say, yo, the freestyle me do was the strongest, you know. You are got distraction. I don't look at me throw this over, make you look over and figure out that figure out that over this.
Man a chop, a be a man a chop. Chip panic like a key up on a lap. Key with a double row clip, a fatal attack.
Chip panic like a key up on a lap, man with a double. Hey, you stop playing the dog, man. You come.
Chip panic like a key up on a lap. Key with a double row clip, a fatal attack. Be a gun over, be a man a chop. Be a man a chop, a be a man a chop. They shoulda know a dog. Be a killer in a dealing, no poser.
Say be a man and chop. You see me and say, yeah man, the man say, yo, brain jump out, me suck my polo and a dopey tummy portfolio. The man say, hold on in that portfolio, my youth. The man say, I got the whole on the stripes right now. The man say, be a man and job. Man say, me kill off so much youth. Me kill off by myself. Me kill off DeMarco. Kill off fully bad. Kill off, hey. Bomba, jungle, come in, man.
Tell a girl for you, me look a porn star. SMG go off and never phone call. When Junior go range and
man say SMG go off and never phone call. Boom, come on, again. Yeah, man, but really SMS, man.
Yeah, me look a porn star. SMG go off and never phone call. When Junior go range and now with no rover. Can't spend badness never over.
Junior go rave and never know rover. I never know rover. I want to man, you behave yourself. I don't know can't think.
Girl, when Junior go range and now with no rover. Can't spend badness never over. SLR turn on and turn him over. Me a looking at him and never in a folder.
Oh, what? It's still like turn over. Still like turn on and turn him over. Me a looking at him head and never fall down. To your man the blow out.
Man a chop a be a man a chop. Watch them a run up and down a key a man a chop. Me killer have a pain pan a shot a lien tap a knock. Be a man a chop a be a man a chop. Chip panic like a key up on a lap. Key with a double row clip a fatal attack.
Come on, a chip panic like a key up on a lap. Clip with a double row. Hey, a fatal attack, brother.
Be a gun over ya. Be a man a chop. Be a man a chop a be a man a chop.
Yeah. Come on, yeah, man, I chat, man. I'm here, man. Let him run. Try to take for himself. But there's no escape. There's no escape. There's no escape in the mob. The aliens, bro. You see, when you're invasion time, you know, people are got dead and no miss so. Kyodi. Yeah, man. Don't come question me. You know, hear me say nothing. I'm not a DJ. Kyodi says so. I know me say so. You see me? Bad tune, man. Kyodi, I see what you're trying. Kyodi trying to pull a okie doke, gang. Kyodi trying to pull a okie doke. Man, trying to get you off, forget about that freestyle, man. So I'm not talking about freestyle. You are going to buy a man. Me a drop in and bust up the head. You see me, man? They think about that. Yeah, man. But yeah, man, we love chat, man. Kyodi, keep doing your thing, gang. Me don't know people. What do you think about the whole freestyle situation, bro? You feel me? I don't think it was a bad free situation. I just know that yo, as an artist, you should have been able to control his instruments, control what's around him. Like, he should know the levels that he like his beats and his mic at. You feel me? What I thought is his mic that he was rapping to, freestyling to, was turned all the way up while the beat was low. So people hearing you see me? I say, well, they're not going to feel the vibes. And part of having a bad freestyle is people being able to feel what you're saying. Not only hear what you're saying, but feel what you're saying. Feel the energy, feel the vibes that you're bringing. You see me? But because of that, we could hear what I say, but we couldn't feel the vibes. But you know what I'm saying? With football team, we feel the vibes and we hear them say at the same time. So that's what I say. Yeah, man. But yeah. Say a big artist, clash artist, you should have been aware and noticed that your beat need to turn up and your mind need to turn up. So that me blame upon you, Kyodi. You see me? You never make sure say the volume upon the right pace, upon the right level. You see me? But yeah, man, gang. Let me know your thoughts on this track and on the freestyle. If you haven't seen it, definitely go check it out. I just did a video on it. Check it out. Let me know your thoughts on the whole situation. Check out Fully Bad as well. Let me see who got the best. Let me know who got the better interview, the better freestyle, and all vibes. You see me? Let me know who you bringing for the war. Who you think gonna kill it on Sting? You know what I'm saying? Who you think can kill DeMarco? You see what I say? Let me know all of that in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts, comments, and concern. You already know what it is, gang. Yeah, man, we're there for the war. We like it, they enjoy it. We're there for the war, there for the music, there for the culture overall. We're there, look out with 2 yards and pay attention. And soon as anything come up, gang, anything else come up, I'm bring you the updates, bring you the reactions. You already know what time it is. It's about Jambisco. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
On a play my DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector.